Hello everyone. I hope that your exam went very well. And from anesthesia wise, I think you all as well as for me, it was very lucky because we had only one true question from anesthesia this time. So the question was that what is the reversal agent for vecuronium? And the options that we had were baclofen, then we had atropine, we had physostigmine, and we had neostigmine. Correct? Now, a lot of students over here were like, ma'am, Sugama-Dex is not given, but remember, Sugama-Dex is a new agent for against vecuronium and rocuronium for its reversal, and it is for its immediate reversal. Otherwise, for so many years, we were using the standard neostigmine for reversal of vecuronium. Okay, so what neostigmine does is that it will increase the acetylcholine at the acetylcholine receptors, and there will be displacement of the vecuronium, and as a result of this the patient will be reversed from the neuromuscular blockade at the end of surgery. Okay, now because neostigmine also has effects other than at the neuromuscular junction such as bradycardia at the heart, we give atropine along with neostigmine. Okay, but the main work at the neuromuscular junction is being done by the neostigmine. Acha, dantrolene was there in one of the options, not physostigmine. All right. So, anyways, we know dantrolene is the drug of choice for malignant hyperthermia. It has nothing to do over here. So, the answer was neostigmine. So, that was the only question that I received. And of course, there was a question on barbiturates, but that will be covered in pharmacology. There was a question on pneumothorax and ventilatory settings. So, that belongs to medicine. So, it will be covered over there. Okay. All right. So there is some lumbar puncture question. If you guys want, you all can write it in the chat box and I will reply to you on the chat box over there. I have not received that question. So you guys can let me know and we will, I'll reply to you on the chat box on the LP question. All right. Thank you.